How to fix camera not showing on Windows. Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you guys how you can fix if your camera driver is not showing. The very first thing you're going to have to do is simply go to your search bar and then search for camera app. Right click on the app, and the first thing you're going to have to do, go to app settings. Once you land on the app settings page, you're just going to have to scroll down, make sure all of the permissions are allowed for the camera app. And then from here on out, you can just find the reset option. So what it does is if the app isn't working right, then you can reset the app. The app's data, however, will be deleted. And once you click on reset, it will completely reset all of its settings. The next step you're going to have to do is go to settings. And once your settings is open, find the privacy tab on the left side of your screen. Now go ahead and click on privacy and security, then simply find the permissions. So go ahead and click on camera permissions. Make sure this is allowed, so let app access your camera, and then camera access is turned on as well. And if you are looking to use it on any specific application, make sure it's allowed here as well. Once that is done, go to your device manager and open it up. Now here you should be able to see your camera option like this, but if you're not able to see the camera driver, you could go to Action, Add Legacy Hardware, click on Next. Now install the hardware that I manually select from a list. Click on Next, select Cameras, click on Next, and here you go. If you have any specific model, click on Next, and it will add the hardware there. So I already have it, so I'm not going to do that. The next step is to right click on your camera driver, go to Update Driver, browse for my computer, let me pick from the list, click on Next, and it will automatically update your driver. Now close this out, and you're going to have to check for any hardware changes. Once that is done, right click on it. You can try to disable this device once, click on Yes, and then enable device again. Once you do that, just close this out and then restart your PC. So once you restart, you should be able to use your camera normally. I hope this tutorial was helpful to you guys. If so, hit the like button below and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the notification bell to get notified, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.